Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut this Ankara short with elastic waistband, or actually how to sew it. In my last video, I taught how to cut it, how to cut this particular one I am wearing. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to sew it. If you want to know how to achieve a perfect crotch, check my last video. I taught how to cut it there. You want to know how to cut a pocket, check my last video. So today we'll be sewing it. Now let's get started. As you can see in this fast clip here, I was cutting it out, and the full tutorial is already on my channel. I taught how to get your pocket length, your pocket width, your crotch depth, and everything you need. Now after cutting out the back and front pieces, this is the pocket, and I have two pieces on fold here. So for the width of this pocket, it is 12 inches. For the depth, it is 12 inches as well. Now you're going to place the right side of your pocket upon the right side of your fabric, and you will sew on the line that I showed you in my last video, the pocket line that we created in the last video. So after sewing on it, that's the 2.5 by 6.5 line. After sewing on it, I'm going to turn it out like this, and I'll make another stitch on it. I would have showed you guys here again, but I lost that particular video. So now you are going to make another stitch on it. As you can see, I have already finished the sewing of this other pocket. So now I'm going to guide you step by step on how to achieve that one. So after taking it to my machine and I stitched on top that pocket there, now I'm going to draw out the other pocket side like so. Now from this area, I will measure out the width of the pockets that we did when we were cutting it out, which is 2.5. Now I'm going to place that area that I stitched earlier. I'm going to place it on top that 2.5, and as you can see, I am arranging the knicker and the pockets properly. Arrange it very well. Just make sure you arrange it very well so that your pocket will balance. You can see the way I'm arranging mine. I'm so sorry that my video is a bit dark. We didn't have power supply at the moment, and I really need to make the tutorial. Now I'm going to take to my sewing machine, and I'll stitch that area. I'll stitch this area too. Now after stitching this point and the upper part, from that point I went down by 1.5 and I gave it a notch. Now I'm going to dip my hand into the pocket, draw it out, and then I'll create a curvy stitch from that point to the other side. Now after stitching it, this is what it looks like. I have tutorials on how to fix pockets. So now after stitching it, I just went ahead to run a top stitch on it. Now I'm going to place the other leg of the short on top this one, and then I'm going to sew it with 1/2 inch. That's at the crotch area. Now after stitching the crotch area, I stopped here. I did not close the crotch area totally. If I open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to bring my back piece. We also cut this out in the last video. Now I'm going to place the right side on top the right side of the front piece, and I'm going to sew it from the lower part. I always like stitching from the lower part with 1/2 inch all the way up. Then I'm going to place the other side again on the other front piece, and then I'll arrange it very well. I'm going to start stitching from the lower part all the way up. I like stitching from the lower part just in case there's any excess length or excess allowance at the back piece. I'm going to trim it off from the upper part. So guys, after stitching it from the lower part all the way up on both sides, I am going to open it up like this, and this is how neat it looks. Now at the length of the pocket there, we are going to make a very little stitch just to secure the pocket, so that when the person dip his or her hand into it, it's not going to be tearing. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I'm going to fold it into 2 and arrange it very well on my table. Please guys, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and don't forget to click on the like button, leave a comment for me. So now at the upper part, I'm going to take my hip measurement divided by 2 plus 1.5. Me here, I took plus 1 inch. That's why my own is a bit fitted on my body. But if you want it to be a bit big, you can do your hip measurement divided by 2 plus 1.5. okay, I hope you understand. So guys, after stitching the crotch area for the back, I stopped at some point, and that is what it looks like. Now you take your tape rule and measure what you have at the upper part of your Ankara short, because we are going to use that measurement to cut a band. I'm so sorry, my camera did not film that particular point. I didn't know. So now this is the fabric I will be making use of for my band, and it is folded into two. Now I'm going to tell you the width and the length. First of all, for the length, after measuring my shorts, what I had there, I added about 2 inches extra to it. Let's say I got 10, or let's say I got 20 after measuring mine. So I added 2 inches extra to it, which made it 22. Now for the width of the fabric, you're going to make use of 4 inches. That's going to be the width of your fabric for your band. Now I'm going to fold the band into two. When I fold it into two, I'm going to have 2 inches. In my cutting video, I used 1.5 inches for my band, but because of sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 2 inches. I hope you understand. Now I'm going to pick up my Ankara short, and then I'm going to start attaching my band to it. While it's still folded into two, I'm going to sew it all the way around. Now after sewing the band around the waistline of the sneaker, you can see what it looks like. After sewing it, I stopped at some point. I left some space. You can see the space. The space is around 2 inches. So now I'm going to use that space to pass in my elastic band. Now this is the elastic I'll be making use of. It is 1 inch wide. For the length, I made use of around 19 inches. Yes, 19 inches. But if you are a bit bigger, make use of 21 inches. That's my advice. Make use of 21 inches. Now I'm going to get my safety pin. I'm going to use the safety pin to pass in the elastic. Whenever I use the safety pin, it's always easier for me. So I'm going to pass it from that hole that we created, or that space that we created, all the way around. I'm going to pass it from one point all the way around till I get to the other area. Now when I pass the elastic through the band, I'm going to place the two elastic on each other. Like I'll place one on top the other, and I will stitch it with my sewing machine. After that, I'm going to adjust the waist like this, the way you're seeing on the screen, so that the elastic will move in to the band properly, and then I will stitch up that area that we left open. So guys, after stitching it, this is what the band looks like. Now I even went ahead to stitch all the way around the upper part of my fabric, but I made sure not to sew on top the elastic. I hope you understand. So I just hope you guys are watching to this point. If you watched to this point, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. After fixing the band, the next thing I'm going to do is to take the length of my Ankara short. I wanted mine to be 17 inches. So now I think I had around 1.5 inches extra. So I'm going to use that 1.5 to fold it, and I'm going to notch it at that 1.5. So now after notching it, you are going to take your knicker and fold that 1.5 in like this. As you are folding it with 1.5, make sure to use your pin to hold it down. Use your pin to hold it down. Place it like this. Fold it with 1.5, hold it down, and then you stitch it from one end to the other end. And do the same thing for the other leg of the short. So after stitching it, I am going to fold the leg of the short like this into two, and then I'll use the round allowance to sew it, like my measurement. I'll use my measurement to sew it at the round area there. So getting to the crotch, you make sure you use about ½ inch. I hope you understand. It's very easy, actually, very, very easy. Now you see that place that is open at the crotch there, that place we left open. Now we're going to take it back to the sewing machine to stitch it like this. Now after stitching, After stitching that crotch area, I'm going to turn it to the right side. There was no light for me to iron it, but I'm going to iron it later on and show it to you guys. So after stitching it, you can see how neat this Ankara short looks like. You can see it's very easy and beginners friendly. So guys, this is how it looks on my body. You can see the size, you can see how clean and beautiful it looks on me. I really hope you guys understood everything I've been saying. I hope you watched to this point. And if you did understand everything I've been saying, just leave a very sweet comment for me in the comment section. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you. Mwah.